I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Adding a debit card to your Airtel account can streamline your payments. Here is how to do it step by step. Step 1. Open the Airtel app. Launch the Airtel app on your smartphone. Ensure you are logged into your account to access the payment options. Step 2. Navigate to Payments. Look for the Payments or Recharge section in the app. This is usually found in the main menu or on the home screen. Step 3. Select Add Debit Card. In the Payments section, find the option to add debit card. Tap on it to proceed to the card details entry form. Step 4. Enter card information. Fill in your debit card details, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Double check for any typos, as errors can lead to payment failures. Step 5. Confirm and save. After entering your details, tap on Confirm or Save. You may receive a verification code via SMS to complete the process. Make sure to enter it promptly. If you accidentally enter the wrong verification code, you might have to start over, so be careful. Now you're all set to use your debit card for quick payments on Airtel. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.